What's up? All right. Hey there, I'm Craig. And I'm gonna be your guy. All right, so, what's up? We are gonna make you some custom furniture, and to do that, we're gonna follow these 5 simple steps to order the custom furniture so it's exactly what you want, all right? It's like, I would never do that, I don't know. That's kind of tight though. Yeah. Okay, jacked up to do it. Okay, so for step 1 of our 5 simple, this is step 1 of our 5 simple steps for ordering custom furniture. Let's book a consultation. All right, so what we want to do for that now, just drop us an email to set this up, and we can do it over like Zoom or Skype, FaceTime, or you can come down here in person if you like. But we can do it online too. And what we want to do with this consultation is we want to find out about your needs and desires for this project. What does your heart burn for in this custom furniture project? Because Union Wood Co. wants to make that for you. Now, what we want, if you can provide this, or we can help guide you with some stuff too, but what you really need to know are the overall approximate dimensions for what you need. Okay, so whether it's a table or a dresser or whatever, we want the overall size and space that this takes up. We want to know also, if you follow us on social media like Instagram, Facebook, whatever, those links will be below too. Are there some projects that you saw that we did that you like? Like, which ones are catching your eye? Which ones are you inspired by? If those are our images, that's great. Or if you've seen some stuff somewhere else, or you want to match something that you already have in the space, we're going to do all that stuff for you, okay? So you want to bring in those reference images.
All those good things, all those nuggets.
Do that, and then we're going to talk about what it is you want. What furniture do you need? What functionality do you need? Let's dig deep, get to the heart of that stuff, and then we can work on step 2.
That's not really hard to do.
It is hard.
Yeah.
It is hard. Thank you for acknowledging that. All right. So step 2 of the custom furniture process is a nice one. This is where it's fun. This is where we planted the seed in the consultation. We're going to watch it grow. So step 2 is the proposal step, okay? So this is where we're going to work on some drawings on the back end, and we're going to present to you with a beautiful blended mesh of your needs and your wants that we talked about in your consultation. And we're going to turn that into drawings with all the materials you want and everything, and then we're going to send those to you for your review, all right? And we're also going to include a quote with that, so you'll know exactly the cost of this item landed on your doorstep, all right? Now, during the proposal process, we might go back and forth a little bit if we don't nail it on the head the first time. Hey, we're going to send you some drawings. This is an ongoing thing, so if you have some feedback or whatever, like, that's totally fine. Just let us know what changes you want to make, and we'll do those in the drawing and send it back. All right? But the proposal part is really fun. It's time to get this thing started. Pause it, and let's get this puppy into production. All right? Let's get this baby going. All right. So step 3 of the ordering custom furniture process, that's the final review. So now you've got the drawings in your hot little hand. They're perfect. They're exactly the materials you want, and the price point's banging. Let's get this thing rolling. All we need is a approval of the final drawings, approval of the quote, and a deposit, and let's get this thing into production. Okay, so step 4, this is production. This is where all the magic's happening. Our team of talented craftspeople are going to be working on your item. They're not going to rest. They're going to just work non-stop on your item until it's completed. You're going to have the blades spinning, sawdust flying, all the stuff's going to be going down, and it's going to be excellent. Our lead time is approximately 6 to 10 weeks. So let's get started on this project right away. Drop us an email. Come on in. Before we move into step 5, and that's completion. Yeah, I'm feeling like exhausted already. Step 5. And that's completion. At this step, things are wrapping up in your project, and we're getting excited to bring it to you. So we're going to reach out and coordinate the shipping and installation and finalize any payments owing. So part of the shipping and installation is going to be us working with our trusted partners to deliver and or assemble that piece in your home or business. Follow us on Twitter and TikTok. All right, guys, thanks so much for listening to our 5 simple steps for ordering custom furniture. If you want to work with us, drop us an email to sales@unionwoodco.com. Hit like if you found the video helpful and interesting. Hit subscribe if you want to see me talk about some more stuff. And if you want to see a little bit more about our shop, follow us on Instagram for what we're doing all day, every day. Or watch this kids video. It's a little tour of our workshop for your kids at home. Thanks a lot. That's not bad.
That was not bad.
All right.